Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the sad version of Gangle from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. In the center, let's draw a curve down and out on both sides, leaving a gap in the middle. And then close off each eye with a U-shaped curve underneath. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a teardrop shape under each eye. And now let's move down and draw the mouth. Underneath in the center, let's draw a small curve. Then from the sides, let's curve it down and back up like this. And then color the mouth in black as well. Now that we have the face, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a line across. Then let's curve it down and then bring it behind the tears to the center. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw two curves down and over to the left. Then from the outside line, let's curve it over to the right. Now a curve down on both sides. And another curve across the bottom. Now from the top right, let's draw a curve on top. Now let's move underneath and let's draw another piece in the same way. And again, let's draw two more underneath, getting smaller as we go down. And that's it for the body. Now let's move out and draw the arms. Let's start on the bottom left of the head and let's draw a curve out and curve it back in like this. And let's do the same on the right side. Now underneath, let's draw another curve in the same way, stopping here. Now underneath, let's draw a curve across and in. And then a V-shaped point to close off each arm. Now inside the hands, let's draw the broken mask. Above the hand, let's draw a curve down, and then continue it underneath and in. And the same on the right side. Now from the top, let's curve it inwards. Now let's draw the crack. Let's start with the left side. Let's bring it down. And let's add a zigzag line. And then one more curve at the bottom. Now for the right side, let's do the same thing, but the opposite. So let's bring it down. And instead of two V-shapes in, we're going to draw two V-shapes out. And then a curve underneath. Now let's add the face inside the mask. Let's start behind the hand and let's draw a curve on top. and then another curve underneath. And color both of these in black. Now underneath, let's add the mouth. We'll start by drawing a curve up to the hand and curving it back down. And the same on the right. And color these in black as well. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a V shape. And the same on the right. Now from the ends, let's draw 2 angled lines down on both sides. Now from the bottom, let's angle it back inwards. Then shorter lines going back out. And close off the ends. And that's it for Gangle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!